Thinking of how you can elevate the taste of your grilled chicken, then this video is for you. And also, I'll be telling you all the secret ingredients you need in order to elevate the taste of your chicken. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bossy, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way you can elevate the taste of your chicken. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on post notification so you don't miss out. First and first is your watch chicken. Mind you, this is a soft chicken. Make sure it is properly washed. Then we're going to add our Suya spice, a little bit of curry, black pepper, ginger and garlic powder. This is our Cayenne pepper, and also our sesame oil. If you want to elevate the taste of your chicken, add a little bit of sesame oil. Then this is a little bit of our seasoning cube, our powdered seasoning cube. Mind you, all the ingredients is going to be listed in the description below, so do not forget to also copy that. Then we're going to mix this, and next step is for us to add our grated onion. You can't go wrong with the grated onion. Then we're going to mix this until it is well and properly combined together. After mixing this, we're going to allow it to sit between 15 to 20 minutes so the ingredients can, the chicken can absorb the ingredients. Just allow it to just sit like that. Then we're just going to put them inside, arrange them on top of our grill. Then we're just going to pop it in the oven between 30 to 35 minutes. Mind you, you have to check your chicken and then turn it, and this is what it looks like. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.